Hey, good afternoon. This is Dustin Neighbors with Hunter Engineering, your local hunter representative for North County, San Diego. Hey guys, I know many of you out there are struggling to find new customers. I've been speaking to a couple of our customers or your peers with automotive shops, and we wanted to try to help with some of the online marketing. Right now, it's unprecedented. Everybody is on Facebook. There's so many people that are sitting at home. They're waiting for the next press release. They are very, very active online and especially on Facebook right now. Um, I ran a electrical business for about 8 years, and about 90% of my business came from Facebook. I just wanted to share with you something that I was able to share with a customer today to see if it might be applicable for you, to see if it might be useful if you use some of these tactics on Facebook to help generate new business, help get your business in front of these folks. And the way we did that, if you want to follow along, I'm going to close this screen down a little bit, get rid of myself. Okay, so what you have in front of you right now is my business page on Facebook. You might get a lot more traction out of it than I will, but I just wanted to kind of show you how I would be able to use this to generate more leads on Facebook. So what we have on Facebook are groups. So on your personal page, you could go ahead and search any type of Facebook groups. Let's just say, for instance, Oceanside Exchange. Okay. If I were to actually search for that for the first time, it's going to populate places and groups within Oceanside, California that you may want to join. Uh, for instance, Oceanside Exchange, 28,000 people are on that. If you go ahead and click on Oceanside Exchange, you can join the group. But what I do encourage you to do is read the description about the group because they may put rules in there where you may only be able to post on a Monday or no businesses can post at all. Something to just pay attention to. That way you're abiding by the group rules. So once you're able to join that group and they accept you, you'll be able to post. So how this works is I'm right here on my normal Dustin Neighbors page profile. Okay. What I'm going to do as the business owner, I'm going to go to my page. From that page, in a typical situation, you would post to only the people that like your page, and then you may get some organic people that see through somebody liking your content or commenting. You might get a little bit of attention that way, but being able to post your business to a group with an ad is very beneficial. So a little earlier, I was messing around and I took this post right here where I was encouraging the public to get out there and get automotive service work done because this is really a good time for it. You and I know that, but they may not be thinking about it. They're thinking about staying home and getting through this whole event. So as Dustin Neighbors, I'm visiting my Hunter Engineering page and I can share whatever post. So let's say this post here was an advertisement that I wanted to put in front of the public. I would then click the share button, share it in a group, and then I can put that group name in. And typically when I join groups, I make a list on the side and I know which ones I can post on Mondays or Wednesdays or any time or one post a day, whatever their rules are. I kind of just catalog all those. That way I can do this very quickly. Another good thing about this is doing it in the evening time. So the people that are working still, when they come home, a lot of times they're getting online, and that's when they're going to be exposed to the ads as well. So I don't have Oceanside listed, but let's just say I picked another post, and then I was able to just write something in there. Let's all help each other out. Okay, so you could put whatever message you want to the audience in there, and then you would post it. Okay, so what that looks like, and to show you how quickly it gets traction, this wasn't an ad for myself, but I was encouraging people to look up other automotive shops, and this is what it would look like. So we're on this exchange group that I joined a while back, and I'm posting as Dustin Neighbors, and I have my message, and then it's posting the actual business link. So they can like your page from there. They can get the information that you put into that post, and they can message you. So what's kind of cool is already within a few minutes, I had another automotive shop near my house, which is outside of North County. We would greatly appreciate the business. We're taking all precautions necessarily. We'll pick up and drop off vehicles. So this girl here already jumped on board and was like, hey, I'm going to use this post to talk to however many people are in that group. Under this situation, there's 717 members in that group. So that is a great way to get your information directly in front of a lot of people that, are sitting around the house right now, thinking what they should do with their lives. And it might be a good opportunity to get your business in front of them. So I was sharing this information with another business owner, and oftentimes we're using Instagram, and it's only the people that are really liking our page or a hashtag related to that. So sometimes it's really hard for those businesses to find us quickly and for you to advertise to them. They almost have to be like groupies when they're following you on Instagram. So we found it very useful to use this method because it did not cost us an arm and a leg with Facebook ads and stuff like that. So I hope that this was um, informative for you. We here at Hunter, we're still open. We're still sending out service. We're still doing installs. We're still selling stuff right now. But we just figured that this would be a good way for you guys to maybe reach out and try something new to market to these customers to help keep your shops running. So we care about you guys. We're in this together. We're hoping to just help you guys get some flow going. And if this was informative for you, great. If you have any questions as to how this works, please reach out to me. I'm available anytime. As you can see, I'm kind of bunkered down in my toy hauler, self-isolating, and just staying out of the public. Not coming around bugging anybody at their shops right now, but we're still able to get equipment. We do have a lot of sourced equipment here in the county. We have distributors that have equipment on hand if you need something. You have a tire changer, a balancer, any essential thing that goes down right now that you need help with, we can help with. If not, please just take this opportunity to look into the Facebook groups and see how it could benefit you by posting those simple ads. I did it for many years. I ran a good electrical business, and that's how I got known around town for my work. And I think that it would be very beneficial for you to check out, and it's free. So I hope this helps. If you need to get a hold of me, feel free to reach out at 858-886-9209. You can find me on Facebook, and you can find me on Instagram at Hunter Engineering San Diego. So I hope all's well. Please stay safe out there, and we look forward to assisting you in any way we can. Thank you very much.